Hello guys, my name is BISSCUTE and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing something different today. So, recently I've been on the side of TikTok where jets and flight pilots and flyovers are being thirst traps. Like, I'm only telling what I've seen, so it gave me an idea. What if I react to flyovers, because it looked so cool. It looked like an adrenaline video and I really need that today. Today is my birthday, by the way. So let's get some energy happening today. So we're gonna be reacting to the top 10 best flyovers of all time. Again, I haven't really seen this in real life, but I have seen a lot of TikToks, a lot. So let's put it on the screen and let's give it a view. Let's see. Quite excited about this one. Let's see. Number 10. Do I have sound? I'm always stressed that I don't have sound. He's feeling it. Love that. I don't know, I feel like it gives a tiny bit of a power. It feels like a power play. It's coming. So we usually have them when they have the Aeron play. Got it. But I was expecting something. Look, maybe at the end I'm gonna play you something that made me do this, if I remember in 5 minutes. Jesus, how many people! Holy moly! Everybody's so laughing and enjoying this. It's kind of cool. I think it's a cool thing. It's expensive. I don't know how much fuel costs for something like this, but I'm more impressed by the crowds, It's full. What is it? That looks like a UFO. You cannot tell me it does not look like a UFO, because it does. I want to see the first three. Now that's better. Now that was better. It was more powerful. Okay. From here on, it should all be better.
Oh my God!
Okay, that's good. That's good. Holy shit, that's a lot. Okay, that's nice. Okay, until now, this one was the best one. I'm looking at it, and of course, you're impressed by the formation and everything that's going on. But I have to be honest as well. I'm thinking about, like, I look at this and it's just like dollar sign, money, because I don't think something like this is cheap to do. So I think maybe you do this at special games or inaugurations or ending ceremonies or something like this. Other than that, I don't know, like, just a lot of cash. Just saying from like a objective perspective. Okay. Oh, this is an older one. So it seems to be... I'm looking. It's again this one aircraft that looks like a UFO and everybody seems to be so excited about it. Is this like a special one or something? I think the other one was more impressive. But there must be a reason this is number 4, right? A barrel roll, I think they're called. Oh, it's stalled. Man, I think that adrenaline you must feel when you are flying one of these things. I'm jealous. Okay, top 2. Until now, I still like the 5th one the most. The sky is a pay actor. Free. Where is it? Okay. So this one was not mandatory cooler than the number 5, which I enjoyed the most until now. But the sky is the sky, guys. The sky was a paid actor in this case. The sky did 80% of this. And I think what was cool about this one was that they flew pretty low, so the noise I think you feel like the whole arena is shaking, maybe? Okay, number 1, better be good. Take it home, number 1. Big boom boom. For me, number 5. I'll die on that hill. I'll die on that hill. Right. Now, I'm gonna look for a video showing you what brought me here. Give me 1 second. Okay. So I found it, but you have to remember it's not having the sexy music on the background due to copyright. So let's watch it together. And this is what I've seen on the internet, on TikTok actually, and that kind of prompted me to watch some flyovers. Now, I don't know how many of these are AI or anything like that, but I'm gonna play for you. Look at this one. I don't, like... Look at that. That's so hot, man. And I cannot parallel park. That's so cool. That's so cool. And I feel like this should be like the promotional content in schools, you know? Look at us. That's what I watched. So that's what I watched on TikTok, and I was like, oh my god, that is freaking amazing. It's cool. I struggle to parallel park. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the greatest car driver out there. And then you see them doing barrel rolls and things like this, and it's fun, and the sound is great. And I would like to watch some more. I feel like these best 10 flyovers were kind of cool, but I mean, then you're watching mini clips like this, and those 10 best flyovers are not looking as impressive anymore. So if you have other videos, maybe a tiny bit more adrenaline pumping, let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, from a European perspective, this looks pretty cool. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this looks pretty cool. Now, I don't know how expensive it is to run something like that, but I bet it's not cheap. I hope you have an amazing day, and bye bye.